everyone, welcome to Dazzling Beauty Studio. I wish you all the best for your first makeup training session. And as you all know, that my name is Renuka and I'm a qualified beauty therapist and a makeup artist in Australia. So today we have this beautiful model. Her name is Sanya Sharma. Please welcome her with a big round of applause. Today we're going to start with the makeup. It will be day-to-day makeup, no makeup look. Then we will proceed to primer, little bit of glitter, and with simple steps I'll try to teach you. And if ever you have any questions or queries, you can always ask me. Alright? Thank you. I'm going to start the third session of makeup training very soon, which will be by the end of May. And you are requested to spread the word among your friends, relatives, those who want to join and learn basic makeup. So the first step of makeup is to do the prepping. Who will tell me what prepping means? Yes.
Cleansing, toning.
Okay. Look here.
Okay.
Ask me questions, I'm here to answer them. And once we have done this, let's do the other eye also. It gives a very nice look. Because we're doing makeup, no makeup look, it has to be very natural, very soft. So what we are going to do is like yes. So maybe this with the whole eyelid and this can be your transition shade. Okay?
This one? This
is transition shade. This would be all over the lid. These are less shimmery. This will also do. Alright. So, under the brow, it will be like this and in circular motion. Don't want any harsh lines. The more you mix, the more it looks nice and clean. Here. इतने पोर्शन पे ध्यान ज़्यादा देना. Your eyebrows should be nicely defined. Your eye makeup should be very soft with very light lipstick, or you can use just a gloss and that's all you need.
Like me.
You should have this kind of brush and just brush it on the brow and it will just smoothen up the harsh lines. Applied too dark, it will give you a very harsh and shrewd look.
Oh, so
we don't want shrewd look. We want soft look, sweet look.
Oh yes. So what shall I do now?
You have to clean. It is really a little bit of this.
So do you have to put it on the nose?
Everywhere, except your eyes. This portion, look at me. This portion, your eyes, this portion should be hydrated. This portion should be hydrated. Why? Because you have fine lines around your mouth, your eyes here. So you have to hydrate it very nicely. Even here, if you have fine lines, which has to be same. If it is silicone based, forehead, cheeks, neck, she doesn't have dark circles. But at the same time, she has little bit of redness here and there, and little bit of brown spots here and there. So we will have a second now. Rose gold and gold. What I wanted to gold. You would like gold?
Or do you want to pop up one color so that
One color. One color.
Line second.
Because if you do this, this is,
that's
and if you add on this,
will perfect with our outfit.
yes, it will. लिप पे मैंने दे दिया, थोड़ा सा मैं चिन पे भी दूंगी, तो इससे थोड़ा ड्यूई लुक आएगा.
Thank you to Dazzling Beauty Studio and thanks to Renuka for eye makeup classes today. I just learned something today, new things that how to do the eye makeup. So that's really changed my look. That's I found it out, and I used to do face and eye last, but this time I just learned that should go to the eye first and then after that face makeup, because when you do the eyes then you have so much excess things on your face, so it is best to do that eye first and then face makeup. So that's the one things I learned from the classes, and also how to use the eyelashes, so I'm going to practice that as well. And it's just like amazing, and I feel like wow, it's take a different look to your makeup as well. So I'll be keep practicing with these simple things at home, and I'll see how I'm going. Thank you Renuka again, and thank you Dazzling Beauty Studio for giving me that chance.
Thanks Renuka. I really like Renuka services from Dazzling Beauty Studio. I attended 2 makeup session. It's a self makeup session. Last time it was really good, and this time also I really enjoyed. I learned a lot because I don't know how to do makeup seriously. But now little bit I learned and I try my best to do. But she's really very good makeup artist. I prefer, please go ahead for her. Dazzling Beauty Studio. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I got my makeup done today at Dazzling Beauty Studio, Nariwaram South. I really loved the experience. I was a model in a tutorial session. I absolutely loved it. I was at ease. Loved everyone who participated as well. There was a lot of questions, even though I was the model, but I also got to learn a lot. Much for such a lovely experience, and I love my makeup.
Today we had makeup session with Renuka from Dazzling Beauty Studio. It was awesome, and we loved the way she teaches us about how to do the makeup and how to do the normal work makeup and party makeup, difference between normal like routine when you go for work and like evening makeup, and oh, it was awesome. I love it. I love the way she teaches us about how to do it. It was amazing. So I will recommend everyone, whoever knows me, should go to Dazzling Beauty Studio. It's in Nariwaram. So it's awesome. I love it. Thanks.
I'm Vandana, and I just attended the training session with Renuka for beauty makeup in Dazzling Beauty Studio to learn the basic steps to how to do the makeup, and I was very satisfied, very happy to know to how to do the basic makeup and some glamour makeup, and I highly recommended Dazzling Beauty Studio and the Renuka for your makeup and for your hair too. Thank you.